How to make a Facebook group private. First of all, go ahead and open up the Facebook application on your phone. As you can see, you are now in the Facebook homepage. Here, you can view pages and friends' posts. On this page, go to the bottom panel and tap on Menu. Then, tap on Groups as shown. You can view all your groups on Facebook from here. Open any of your groups from here. Once you're here, tap on Manage. Scroll down to the Settings section and tap on Group Settings. Here, go to the Setup Group section. Then, tap on Privacy. Now, change the privacy to private. This means that only members can see who's in the group and what they post. Then, tap on Next below. You should also note that changing your group from public to private can't be undone. If you're okay with that, then tap on Next. Tap on Next again. After that, tap on Change Privacy below to confirm. This group will permanently become private in 3 days. Following these steps, you can easily make a Facebook group private.